Hello, my mechanic and pilot students. In the real world, there are many alternator failures in airplanes. We are changing a lot of them. And it's something that the mechanic is going to change, and it's something that the pilot has to learn how to deal with. I'm flying along at night, and I realize my alternator has failed. It's reading minus on the ammeter. So what I have to do right away, I'm going to minimize my electrical load. I am going to turn off my landing lights. I'm going to turn off my strobe light. I'm going to turn off the nav light. I'm going to turn off the beacon, and I'm going to look for everything I could do. I'm going to turn off these, dim the lights here, and I'm going to minimize my electrical load. Watch how my amperage draw reduces as I turn off my equipment. I'm turning off the landing lights. I'm turning off the strobe lights. I'm turning off the nav lights. I'm turning off the anti-collision beacon. I'm turning off the pitot heat. I have minimized my electrical load now to only 8 amps. I can minimize that more by shutting off the number 2 bus. Right now, after turning off the number 2 bus, I'm only drawing 5 amps out of my battery. Before you ever take off, you should know what the amp hour capacity of your battery is. I looked here on the electrical power part of my equipment list, and it shows me that 2 different batteries are available. Right here on our aircraft weight record, we have a list of the installed equipment on our aircraft. I'm happy to see that we have the optional 15.5 amp hour battery, that especially when you have an aircraft with modern electronics. During maintenance, this battery was tested with the aircraft load tester. The battery must test within 80% of its rated capacity to be legal for flight. And I know that this one has been checked, and it was at least 80% before the plane left the shop. Behind this G1000 primary flight display is a battery pack, and the battery pack is automatic. When you have this switch in the arm position, if you lose all the rest of the electrical power, it will automatically be powering the primary flight display. So it's automatically being charged. To test it, you flip the switch down and the green light will go on, telling you that the battery is good. The main aircraft battery supplies electrical power to the main and essential buses until the bus voltage decreases below 20 volts. The advantage of flying in a modern aircraft with an accurate ammeter is you don't have to calculate it beforehand like you would in the old aircraft. My old airplane, I had to determine the draw of each piece of electrical equipment beforehand, but right here, I could just flip things off and then read the current draw right here. And it makes it much easier to see how much reserve battery capacity I will end up with when I reach my destination. So for all of my mechanic students, I want to let you know you are going to be changing a lot of alternators. They are failing all the time. And for all you pilots, this is a problem you need to learn how to deal with safely.